Today, I will show you by far the easiest way to make money online in 2024. I'm going to show you how to use AI to get paid $25 time and time again. There is a huge demand for a particular type of service at the moment, and that service is video translation. If you look on Fiverr.com and type in video translation, you'll find a lot of providers who are offering video translation services. And how do we know that they have a huge demand? Well, check this out. There are 40 orders in the queue. I'll show you how you can sell this same service and charge $25 for each 15-minute video, and how you can deliver these orders very, very quickly. It literally takes a couple of minutes so that you can make these sales and you can make this money. And the service that this provider offers is translate and add English or Spanish subtitles to your video. This provider has got 1,343 reviews, so most likely they've delivered at least 5 to 10,000 of actual orders. And I'm going to show you a software where AI will do all of this translation work for you. So we know that this provider has got 40 orders in the queue, and their prices range from $5 for a 4-minute translation pack to standard, which is $25 for 15 minutes, and $50 for a 30-minute pack. If we take an average order value of $25 and we multiply that by about 10,000 orders that most likely this provider has delivered, we will get $250,000 that most likely this provider has made from this gig. And just so you know that there is real demand for this, check out, there are many more listings with orders in the queue. So this person with 274 reviews has got 2 orders in the queue for the video translation service, and they specialize in Arabic. There is this person who specializes in English, German, and French video translations. They've got 3 orders in the queue. There is another person who specializes in English, Hebrew, and Norwegian, and she's got 1 order in the queue. So there is real ongoing demand for this. The solution I'm about to show you will allow you to do this for all the languages. All they need to do is to find a way to translate videos efficiently. And for this, we're going to be using a software called Nota Showcase. If you click the link in the description below, you'll land on a page that looks like this, and Nota Showcase actually allows you to translate videos automatically using AI, and it does a brilliant job. So click the link in the description below, click sign up, and you can follow along in this tutorial with me. Alright, so once you're in the dashboard, click on upload file and upload the video that you get from the client that you want to translate. So I've uploaded my sample video over here, and let's choose from and to language. So my source language is English, and let's say that I want to translate it to Spanish. So I'm going to choose Spanish over here, and all we need to do now is click translate. Okay, our translation is now ready. So let's click on the video, then click view details, and this is where you can change the language. You can see under dubbed languages, it says English and Spanish, so you can download the Spanish version of your video, and then you can deliver it to the client. Here are the results. So this is the original video. Next website on our list is missingmoney.com, and it's a super exciting website. So it's an official website that's endorsed by states and provinces. And here is the dubbed video. It actually duplicates my own voice. Check this out.
El siguiente sitio web de nuestra lista es missingmoney.com y es un sitio web súper emocionante. Por lo tanto, es un sitio web oficial respaldado por estados y provincias.
From here, the additional options are you can turn off or turn on captions depending what your client has requested. And if you need to translate it into additional languages, just choose any of these undubbed languages and it will translate it for you. And so this way you can very easily deliver what the client wants. If they want just the subtitles, then you can use Nota to just do the subtitles. If they would like the actual voiceover, then Nota can deliver that for you as well. I've recently put together a free course where I show you how I make an average of $928 a day using very simple 7-second videos. So if you'd like to gain access to that, just go to fastervideos.com. You land on this page and you will be able to gain your access from here. And if you enjoyed this video, then make sure to smash the like button just below this video and subscribe to my channel. And watch this video next. Here is a really unique way that I've recently discovered to make money that no one else is talking about. So I really hope that you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll see you in the next video.